Guess what we're doing today? Traveling through the Berwick Lock, which is a part of the levee system around the Atchafalaya Basin that encloses almost 1 million acres of wilderness. Now they call it the Atchafalaya National Heritage Area. And so these locks were built about 1930. They are 40 feet deep, they're 45 feet wide, and 300 feet long. So when the snow melts in the northern United States, then they can divert a lot of that water coming down the Mississippi River, down the Atchafalaya River. And the levee system is what keeps all of the homes and towns from flooding, so that they can direct the water as quickly as possible down the shortest route into the Gulf of Mexico. So these are the Berwick Lock that we're in. We'll be closing up the gates behind us right now. Once those are closed, then he'll open the gates in front of us. And a 6-foot wall of water will be coming at you there, Zach.
Zach, be careful, right?
Alright. Come on, Captain Zach.
That's how deep it is. What's the water temperature is below that? Does it have another little number that says water temp? Keep it in the water.
Alright, it is Captain Luke's turn. Don't honk the horn, you'll disturb the wildlife.
Are you?
I don't like to do that. That's okay, kid.
You see that? You want to keep it in that line there.
We're going in a circle.
Luke, let's
turn
turn
it
it
that way. What are we going to do if we want to go that way?
There you go. Heck of a job, Brownie.
Yeah.
And now we're back to Captain Zach, who's really steering this boat.
I heard a story about...
Picture.
Are you doing a good job, Saya?
Yeah, I think so. He's keeping it right in the water.
And now we got, what is it, Skipper Saya?
Skipper Keys.
Yes, Skipper Keys Saya. She's really serious too. Look at that face.
No. It's important. You can't be hitting that tree up there.
Oh my.
Don't go that way.
She is really, yep.
Keep it out there in the middle.
Saya!
So this was a lot of fun. I would do it again. I really love this part of Louisiana, and who knows, maybe move here someday. It's so much better than a lot of places I've been. Love this country. And Captain Caviar, I got to give compliments to, because he really did a good job.
After 31 years of being a caviar producer, I went and got my captain's license, and now I entertain tourists showing off my backyard here. So having been a caviar producer for 31 years and then going to get my captain's license, it's now Captain Caviar. Yeah, a lot of history and mystery out there, on land, in the swamps. A lot of things people don't realize how much history there really is. You just think you're riding by swamps, and suddenly, like, Jean Lafitte, the pirate, was here and burying treasure out here on these islands. Well, yeah, he was. The old Spanish trails right here in my backyard. So when Spain owned all of Louisiana from Florida to Texas, they built a road, and a part of that road is right here in my backyard, right before you get to that Indian mound. Yeah, the plantation, my mother and dad owned a plantation next door, and my dad, rest in peace. They bought Idlewild Plantation in 1976. We're the third family to own it. My dad was a doctor, and when they bought that home, he did not believe in a spiritual world. He said that he's seen a lot of dead people right in front of him, and never once did he see anybody rise to the heavens. Never once did anybody condemn to hell, and nobody ever went sideways to purgatory neither. They was just dead. Well, after living in that plantation home all those years, it changed his medical mind. There is a spiritual world out there after all, because some of those spirits were living right there in that house with him.